How do I install Canon printer drivers on Windows? Open Canon support site, go to Canon's official support site to access the drivers. Find your printer model, enter your Canon printer model number in the search bar and select it from the results. Select your operating system, choose the Windows version you are using to ensure compatibility. Download the driver, click the Download button for the latest driver version available for your printer. Run the driver file, locate the downloaded file, usually in the Downloads folder, and double-click it to begin installation. Follow the setup wizard, go through the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Connect your printer, connect the printer to your computer via USB cable or Wi-Fi, based on the printer's specifications. Print a test page. After installation, print a test page to confirm that the driver and printer are working properly.